ordinary differential equation, I am going to teach you all a formula for the Wronskian. Okay, let me start. Now a formula for the Wronskian. Okay, there is a convenient formula for the Wronskian of two solutions of L of y is equal to 0, which results from the fact that W of phi1 comma phi2, this is a Wronskian, satisfies the first order linear equation. Okay, now let me move further. Let me prove this theorem. If phi1 comma phi2 are two solutions of L of y is equal to 0 on an interval I containing a point x0, then W of phi1 comma phi2 of x, now this is the Wronskian, is equal to e raised to power of minus a1 into x minus x0. Okay, into this is into what? Wronskian of this W of phi1 comma phi2 into of x0. Okay, now proof starts like this. We have two equations, right? Consider this as 1. So take this as 1 and take this as 2. Okay? Now what you will do is phi1 double dash plus a1 phi1 dash plus a2 phi1 is equal to 0. Phi2 double dash plus a1 into phi2 dash plus a2 into phi2 is equal to 0. Now you all have to multiply this by phi2 dash and this minus phi2 dash, this you have to multiply, and for this you all have to multiply by what? Phi1. Okay, just phi1. Okay, and then you all have to add it. See, now you all have to multiply first equation. Now this is your first equation now. So you have to multiply it by minus phi2. And equation 2 by phi1. Okay, and this is by minus phi2. So I have multiplied minus phi2 here for these two equations over here, and now I am adding it. Okay, so how to add? This phi2 double dash into phi1 minus this. Okay, plus a1 is common, so phi2 dash into phi1 minus phi1 dash into phi2 plus what is this? a2 is common for this. Now I have wrote it here. Okay, phi2 into phi1 minus phi1 into phi2 is equal to 0. Now this is same, no? Phi2 phi1 phi2 phi1 phi1 phi2. So this is nothing but this get cancelled, and finally this is equal to 0. Okay. Now let me do this step. I'll write it next page. Phi1 into phi2 double dash. See, phi1 into phi2 double dash minus this phi1 double dash into phi2. Just place this value whatever, plus a1 into this in the bracket phi1 into phi2 dash minus phi1 dash into phi2 is equal to 0, and take this as 3. Now we know that the Wronskian of phi1 comma phi2 is nothing but phi1 into phi2 dash minus phi1 dash into phi2, and take this as 4. Okay, now you'll have to differentiate this. So Wronskian of w dash of phi1 comma phi2 is equal to, now you'll have to use the chain rule over here. Differentiate this, keep phi1 as it is, differentiate this phi2 double dash plus, now keep, now what I'll have to do? Wait, let me, this is not there. Wait, not this one. Yeah, correct it is, sorry. So phi1 of dash, now differentiate this and keep phi2 dash as it is. Then minus phi1 of dash, keep as it is, and differentiate this phi2 dash. Minus, keep this as it is, phi1 dash, and then differentiate this phi2 dash. Okay. Sorry, phi1, this you all have to differentiate, and then phi2 keep as it is. Okay, now this term will get cancelled, right? What will remain? Wronskian or w dash of phi1 comma phi2 is equal to phi1 of phi2 double dash minus phi double dash minus into phi2. This will remain, and take this as 5. Now put 4 and 5 in equation 3. Now put this 4 and 5 in equation 3. Okay. So on the next page I'll do. So you all have to put this. Now what is your phi 1, phi 2 double dash minus this? Here it is nothing but Wronskian, W, no? That you all have to put here. W dash. See, over here it is, sorry. W dash phi 1 comma phi 2 is equal to what? Phi 1 phi 2 double dash minus phi 1 double dash into phi 2. Now this is where here it is. So you all have to put this in place of this, okay? So W dash plus A1 put as it is, and then what is this over here? Phi 1 phi 2 dash. So what I'll have to put? W. So plus W plus A1 W is equal to 0, okay? So I have placed that 4 and 5 in 3, so I got this. Now take this as, consider this as 6. Now therefore Wronskian of x is equal to C. Now this is the solution for this one, okay? W of x is equal to C raised to power of minus A1 of x, and take this as 7. Now where C is some constant, now here C is some constant. So putting x is equal to x naught. So wherever x is there, I'll have to put x naught in this, okay? So Wronskian of this, put it x naught is equal to C e raised to power of minus A1 x naught, okay, here. Then C is equal to what? Take this value the other side, so it will become what? E raised to power of, it was minus A1, so it will become positive A1 into x naught into W of Wronskian, this x naught, okay? This one it is, as it is, okay, already. Then you all have to put this value in this 7. So what you all are going to get? So wherever there is C, you have to place this value over here, okay? So what I will get is W of x is equal to e raised to power of A1 into x naught into this W of x naught into e raised to power of minus A1x. So can I write this e raised to power of minus A1x, e raised to power of A1 of x. A1 is common. So is equal to e raised to power of A1, take it outside, then into in the bracket x naught minus x, because here minus is there for x. So if you plug this minus A1, you all will get the same thing into W of x naught. Now W of x is equal to what? E raised to power of, I will take this minus outside, so minus A1. So I have to place this x this side and interchange, okay? X minus x naught into W of x naught. Now this is equal to what? This can be written as W of phi 1 comma phi 2 of x is equal to e raised to power of minus A1 into x minus x naught into this W of phi 1 comma phi 2 of x naught, hence proved. So we proved, so finally we proved this, okay? This is equal to this. And with this I am done with today's lecture, okay? I hope you all have understood today's concept, and thanks for watching.